then you get to choose 3 to write down yourself, and then you get to call on somebody else to come up and solve those. Who would like to start? Alicia? Very good. 12 times 2 and 4 times 5.
They just said that the bears have been in hibernation.
Okay, I'm here to complain about something. I'm not sure what yet, but I'll figure out something here in just a moment while everyone is sitting and listening. Check 1, 2, check 1. Ooh, that got a little louder there. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Within the room itself, I'm actually not at a bad level at the moment. I can just, kind of hear myself echoing behind me. Start actually getting a bunch of people in the room, and that should subside just a little bit. I'm going to move over here to one of the dais locations. Okay, assuming that someone is actually going to sit up straight at the dais, which is always questionable. Again, I'm not trying to actually talk in any form of a excited or projecting tone, more of a conversational tone here. Again, I actually hear myself reflecting within the room pretty decently, so I would say within the room itself, I'm at a good level at this point, again, without a bunch of bodies in the room absorbing sound. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. I, in theory, should be on mic 3. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2.